As more private insurers are dropping customers or raising their rates, the number of policies issued by one group has doubled during the last 2 years. News 4JAX reporter Aaron Farrar is joining us now live this morning. Aaron, Citizens Property Insurance added 19,000 policies just last month alone.
For a lot of people in certain parts of this state, Citizens is their only option for coverage. Citizens, which is the state-supported insurance group, was created as somewhat of a last resort for homeowners and a measuring stick for the health of the private insurance market. Here's a breakdown of its policy count. Citizens has more than 1.4 million policies as of December 30th. That's up from the more than 759,000 it accumulated by the end of 2021. Many people who experienced property damage from Ian and Nicole want lawmakers to curb insurance prices.
I'm covered for loss of use. It's in my policy. And I haven't received any check as far as an advance. And I'm a single mother with 2 children depending solely on me. And they have not helped me in any way.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully they're going to do something about it.
During a special session last month, lawmakers passed some insurance changes, all in an effort to reduce litigation and help steer policies out of Citizens and back to the private market. Mark Friedlander, who is a spokesperson for Insurance Information Institute, explains how that would work.
When you get a renewal bill from Citizens, you will be required to get quotes from the private market as well. And if your private market quotes are within 20% of the premium cost of Citizens, you will be required to move to a private insurer.
Lawmakers also tried to cut back on the number of policies issued by Citizens, partially because of the risk that the state could end up paying extra costs, called assessments, if Citizens cannot pay all of its claims after a hurricane. Citizen CEO and president says the soonest he thinks companies can start taking policies out of his group and into the private market would be sometime later on this year, maybe between November and December, after the threat of hurricane damage diminishes for the season. Reporting live, I'm Aaron Farrar, Channel 4, the local station.